Today we will learn about prepositions part 2. The following nouns take for after them. Example: affection for, ambition for, apology for, appetite for, capacity for, compensation for, desire for, fitness for, guarantee for, liking for, need for, opportunity for, match for, candidate for, reputation for. The following noun takes with after them. Example: acquaintance with, bargain with, enmity with, intimacy with, relation with. The following nouns take off after them. Example: assurance of, charge of, doubt of, experience of, failure of, proof of, results of. The following nouns take to after them. Alternative to, approach to, attachment to, encouragement to, exception to, key to, limit to, objection to, obstruction to, opposition to, reference to, succession to. The following nouns take from after them. Descent from, escape from, exemption from. The following adjective takes to after them. Accustomed to, adjacent to, applicable to, common to, devoted to, due to, equal to, faithful to, inclined to, indifferent to, favorable to, limited to, loyal to, opposite to, prior to, related to, sensitive to, and subject to. The following adjectives and participles take in after them. Absorbed in, accurate in, backward in, correct in, defective in, fertile in, developed, enveloped in, then interested in, deficient in. Now we will see further types. The following adjectives and participles take off after them. Example: aware of, certain of, afraid of, deprive of, devoid of, fond of, greedy of, guilty of, irrespective of, proud of, sure of, worthy of. The following adjectives and participles take for after them. Example: designed for, eligible for, good for, prepared for, ready for, sorry for, useful for. The following verbs take to after them. Example: adapt to, adhere to, attend to, belong to, contribute to, lead to, prefer to, pretend to, refer to, surrender to, and yield to. The following verbs take from after them. Alight from, differ from, emerge from, escape from, prevent from, protect from, then recover from, prohibit from. The following verbs take with after them. Example: bear with, coincide with, cope with, disagree with, part with, quarrel with. Now next one. The following verbs take off after them. Example: beware of, die of, disapprove of, dream of, taste of. The following verbs take for after them. Example: care for, feel for, hope for, start for, and wish for. The following verbs take in after them. Example: delight in, excel in, increase in, glory in, involve in, and persist in. The following verbs take on after them. Example: comment on, decide on, embark on, insist on, then enlarge on, encroach on, depend on, dwell on, trample on, improve on, and resolve on.